Hi, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna make popcorn. I'm so excited. It's on-grill popcorn. So what I have right now, I have about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil warming up, and I have 3 popcorn kernels in there. As soon as and it's on high, as soon as those 3 popcorn kernels pop, we're gonna do more. And I'm like really jumpy, so I'm getting really close to the screen, but they're gonna pop soon. I just know it, and then we're gonna do more. The popcorn that I like using is Preferred popcorn. My cousin's family sells it, but it's organic, non-GMO. It's like, you know, doTERRA and co-impact sourcing. They do it like with popcorn. Oh my gosh, it's so close to pop, okay? Oh, one just popped. Okay, I'm like expecting I get an explosion or something, but the one is popped. And then in here, we're gonna add in, once all 3 have popped, we're gonna add in about ½ a cup of popcorn. Ah! Okay, they popped. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it off the heat, and we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna count to 30. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We slide it back onto that high heat, and we're gonna, oh my goodness, I made a mess. We're gonna let it pop, you know, until most of the kernels are popped. And then as soon as they are mostly all popped, we're gonna take it off the heat, transfer it to another bowl. And then we're gonna do this fun, yummy concoction on top. Oh my gosh, that totally stressed me out. So while that's popping, I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. I melted about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil here, and then we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm just eyeballing it. So total, there we go. Yeah, because 4 tablespoons is equivalent to about 1/4 cup, so that's there. And then we're gonna add about 2 to 3 drops of On Guard. And it's not like crazy spicy like I thought it would the first time. Then I'm gonna do 2 drops cinnamon. Oh my gosh, it's popping. Can you hear it? It's popping. Okay, I'm keeping an eye on it. I'm gonna stir it a little. Okay, it's almost done. I'm gonna stir this. This is like Jesse's cooking show. Okay, stuff's still popping. Almost done, almost done. Okay, I think it's slowing down. So I'm gonna turn it off, take it off the heat. Okay, so we have our popcorn here. Okay, and then I have my concoction that I'm gonna pour on it and drizzle. I'm gonna just do a little, and then I'm gonna do some shakes. It smells so good. I feel like adding some wild orange would be really, see, I'm just shaking it. I'm gonna add a little bit more, drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Shake, 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 and then I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt. I don't have like official popcorn salt, but salt to taste. And then add in a little bit of like ground cinnamon. Whoa, I just, okay, I just might add a lot. And then toss. It's gonna be so good. I hope you guys are well.